Hi everybody, it's Katrina. This is my men's self-care Better Me box. And I put the Mahagony Teakwood Bath and Body Works, the Dove men's cream. There's a loofah there, 2 pair of socks, a towel, and the Bali sandalwood soap. I've also put a plush dog in there and some candy for the fellas. I think this has turned out lovely. I topped it with the loofah there. And this is a self-care box for the men. There's also a mirror in the back, because ladies, men like the way they look too. So I will show you the finished product after I have wrapped this up, and we'll put a bow on it. Stay tuned for the pictures, and thank you for tuning in to the Crafty Corner. Make sure you like, subscribe.